Losing weight after 40 can be a game changer for our overall health. Let me explain. As women, we've got a lot on our plates, and taking care of our bodies is crucial, especially during this phase of life. I've been looking into the gelatin trick, and I'm excited to share with you how it can be a simple yet effective daily ritual to help with weight loss and overall wellness. My friend, who's in her early 50s, has been using the gelatin trick for a few months now, and she's noticed a significant difference in her digestion and energy levels. She told me that incorporating the gelatin trick into her morning routine has been a total lifesaver, and I'm eager to try it out for myself. The gelatin trick is all about using a natural ingredient that's probably already in your kitchen to help stimulate digestion and support healthy weight loss. By adding the gelatin trick to your daily routine, you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. To learn more about how to get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in the description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some additional tips on how to make the gelatin trick work best for you. Now, go ahead and give the gelatin trick a try and see how it can benefit you.